We got this 2008 Carrera S, all right? Customer comes in, he wants a GT3 exhaust. Unfortunately, they don't make a bumper that fits the GT3 exhaust, so what we do, we trimmed out the back bumper. Customer approved, he came in and chopped it with a Sawzall himself. We don't want to take a Sawzall to this car. Customer did. He came by, we gave him the Sawzall, he made the cut. Pretty clean, we filed it down for him, made it a little bit more even, and then we did some crazy fabrication work. We had to get this GT3 exhaust, which is the center exit. As you can see here, it says even on the inside, GT3. So usually this car comes out with the tips right here, all right, off the sides. And customer wanted a GT3 conversion. And every shop he went to said it was impossible. You know, we did at Gexhaust, we made the impossible possible, and we made it work. So we trimmed it at the headers, ran some custom piping, some fabrication work, hours and hours of work later, we got the job done, got the GT3 exhaust fitted, looks good, sounds good, and the valves are functional. So he has to replace the actual valve lines themselves. Once he plugs them in, they will be fully functional because the Carrera S model did come with active valves. So this 08 911 Carrera S is now customly fitted with a GT3 exhaust by Fab Speed, and it sounds damn amazing. So we're gonna crank it. You guys let us know what you think. And if you have custom Porsche problems, let us know, guys. We're doing them all. So everything from custom cat bats to Fab Speed exhaust to retrofitting, you name it, we got it. And we have a bunch of stuff available at our website. Not much for the Porsche stuff yet, but soon there will be. So on this 08 911 Carrera, as you can see, it's a little bit different than the standard two-seater up front, rear baby seats in the back. This thing has a center seat, which is pretty crazy. It's ideal for racing, and it's got the custom Sparko racing seat with the custom Momo quick release steering wheel, which is pretty sick, wrapped in the red suede. And then as you can see, everything is kind of pushed over and centerized. Mid cluster, carbon fiber trim on both sides, and then completely gutted after that. So this thing is pretty much built for racing. It does have the suede headliner. I don't know if you guys could see that, but still pretty sweet. Carrera S, pretty standard spec, besides the center seating and the center cluster. But this conversion probably costs around 40, 50K. And yeah, it looks fucking awesome. So if you want a center conversion Porsche, we'll put you in touch with the guy and he'll convert it for you guys. So you see the racing seats on the Sparko, pretty sick. Got a 6-point harness on there. And yeah, I'm just, you know, just driving this thing around the shop feels pretty damn awkward sitting in the middle of the car, but should be pretty sweet around the track. So as you guys can see, the exterior is all white with the yellow racing fog lights, or style lights. It's not quite fog lights, those are headlights. You got the fog lights underneath, those are not yellow, but the headlights are yellow, which is pretty damn sweet. At night, you see this yellow Porsche beaming. Yellow headlights is pimp. So then you got the Centro livery, which means center, all right? It means the seat's in the center. So if you got a Centro Porsche and the seat's not in the center, it's not a real Centro, it's not a real conversion. Porsche actually dropped this. You could buy it from the factory for around $110,000 back in 08. I don't know why you would want a center seat on a Porsche, but they did it from the factory. So if you decided to buy one in 2008 and you wanted a 911 Carrera S with a center seat, they did the 3-seat Porsche, it's called. So Centro, meaning center, and then you got the Gumball 3000. I don't know if you guys know about the rally they do in Europe and all around the world, but it looks like it was in the Gumball 3000, which is pretty sick. Pretty prestigious rally, if you ask me. I mean, probably one of the sickest in the world. And you know, just to see one of these rare ass cars on there, it would be pretty cool. So like I said, you got the Centro livery on there. It's a little faded because it was done back in 08. And then you got the white all the way around, Centro side decals on the back, got the roof livery. And then this looks like a Turbo S wing. This is not standard with the Carreras, but pretty sweet, pretty aggressive wing on the back. And then pretty much factory everywhere else. Looks like some factory wheels, maybe a set of Porsche Racing Cup wheels, but pretty standard. Wrapped in some Continentals, which is awesome for tires. So if you need good rubbers, go with Continentals.